Hello friends, my name is Pratik and welcome to the channel once again. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you that if you're using Google Pay application and if you don't remember your UPI pin, then what are the steps to reset your UPI pin? So today's video is all about that. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Let's not waste the time. Let's start the video. So now all you have to do is you have to open the Google Pay application. You have to complete the login process, and once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. Now to reset your UPI pin, if you don't remember, all you have to do is you have to click on profile icon, which is on the right hand side top corner. After selecting the profile icon, you will be on the next page, and on next page there will be multiple options. All you have to do is you have to select bank account option. Now after selecting the bank account, we will be on payment method page. Now here you can see I have already added two of my bank account, but if I want to change the UPI pin of any one bank account, then I have to select that particular bank account. So for example, if I don't remember my UPI pin of IndusInd bank account, I will select that particular bank over here, and on the next page there will be some basic details related to my UPI ID and all. So now if I want to change the UPI pin, you can see there is an option of forgot UPI pin at the bottom. So you have to select that option to reset the UPI pin. After selecting forgot UPI pin, it will ask you to enter the card details, which is your debit card details. Now you will be needing your debit card details, so that is compulsory over here. So make sure that you have your debit card details with you. So I'll fill up the debit card details and then I'll show you the next process. So guys, as you can see, I have entered the debit card details. All you have to do is you have to click on this blue arrow mark at the bottom. So after that, we are on the next page, guys, as you can see. So it will ask you to enter the OTP. Now you can see I have already received an OTP. So here it is given that enter 6-digit OTP. So you will be receiving an OTP on your registered number. You have to enter that OTP and you have to click on this tick mark sign at the bottom. So once you enter the OTP, click on this tick mark sign at the bottom. On the next page, it will ask you to set new 6-digit UPI pin. So you have to enter the new 6-digit UPI pin, and then you have to once again click on this tick mark sign. So I've entered the UPI pin. I will click on the tick mark sign. On the next page, you have to re-enter the 6-digit UPI pin. So I'll do that very quickly and I will show you. So I have confirmed the 6-digit UPI pin. Now I will be clicking on this tick mark sign. It will take some time, so we have to wait. So now you can see UPI pin updated. So guys, these are the simple steps which you have to follow if you don't remember your UPI pin. All you have to do is you have to just come in payment method. You have to select the bank for which you have to change the UPI pin. After selecting the bank, you have to click on forgot UPI pin, and then you have to just follow the steps as I've shown you in the video, and you will be able to, reset your UPI pin. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.